What's going on today, everybody? I'm out here in my normal stomping ground. I just like coming out here because it's just somewhat easier to get to. It's quicker to get to. I'm familiar with the ground. It's pretty hard to get lost here. But I kind of wanted to bring the drone out. I don't know if you guys remember watching the video last year where I came to this little valley and said, yeah, I'm not going to take my KLR down there. You know what? I figured I'd come over to it today. This has changed since last year too. It's really gravelly this year. Anyway, come down here. And fly the drone here. I just thought it'd be a very cool place to fly the drone. And then it looks so crappy here. Whee! And found some wild horses. Awesome. Cool. Hey guys. Not a care in the world. Bye-bye. Oh man, it's so windy here. Maybe I won't fly it today. We'll give it a minute or two. It might calm down. I love this bike. This is one of my best purchases I've ever made. Yeah, let's calm down. Anyway, I'm going to stop this here. We'll get the drone up in the air. It's been a while since I've received anything, but I received some mail from the Homebeez. So I figured why not open it right now, out in the bush. So I'll grab my handy dandy knife. But I always carry, this is one of my bike knives. And get her in there. Hopefully you don't cut everything open. So I'd received this a few weeks ago, and I just haven't had time to open it. So let's see what's inside. And it looks like there's a note. We'll get this stuff here. So, what's in the package? We got a nice little sticker here like that. I like that. That's nice. Good design, you guys. I like that. And then we have this one as well. Homebeez on YouTube. That's cool with the bike and the bee. I like that. And then we have the letter, and it says, Truckman on Fire. Love the channel, my friend. Here are a few stickers for your collection. Mark and Karen Homebeez. Yeah, thank you very much. Anyway, everybody have a great day. I'm going to get back on the road and head home. It has been a beautiful day. I've been out here for a couple hours now and just enjoying it. Beautiful day. Anyway, thanks. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Have a great one, and I will catch you on the next ride. Randy, here's your favorite middle of nowhere in the bush, and we got a stop sign.